Panda. Panda. Panda, panda. Okay, let's go inside. Oh, wow! So amazing! Wow! Dragon! Dr. Panda!
Pasok tayo dito sa Fresh.
Sino yan? Si Peter Rabbit?
Some of my happiest memories of me riding the landing carriage. I was Shrek's best man as a Shrek. Well, actually, he didn't invite me home. Who was already without when it crashed?
Tingnan mo sa taas. Wow! Parang pupungan. Tao po! Tao po!
Ka.
Tao?
Ba't tayo papasok sa mga loob?
May multo!
Tara, dito tayo.
Ay! Ay!
Ay, doon siya. Ano meron dyan? Hintay ko pang ano. Ganda ng effect ng ilaw, pak.
May malaking kalabasa!
Asa na ba tayo? Guys, hindi namin alam ano pa ito pinasok namin. Napakadilim. Ang haba ng lalakarin.
Some people love jail.
tayo sa rides.
Far, far away, there was a beautiful swamp. It was full of murderous and poisonous snakes and all the things that would make it an ogre's own sweet home. Better ended in, I always say.
Pumpkins pala to eh. Akala namin horror.
Yeah, Lord Farquhar.
Lord Farquhar, eh?
What are you talking about?
Where is he?
He's in jail.
Ba't sila umiikot tayo hindi?
Hindi ko tayo ah. Hindi mo nakita? Para po akong 5-year-old ngayon, nararamdaman ko na ang pagbalik ko sa pagkabata.
Down there on the wall is the spot the most perfect kingdom on the north.
Wow!
Technically, you're not a king. What? Well, I guess you're not a king yet. But you can become one. All you have to do is marry a princess. And here they are. Cinderella, Snow White, and Princess Fiona.
Grabe nakakahiling ride! Ilong-ilo ako!
You chosen Princess Fiona.
I've a bone to pick with you. Ah, ogre. Just the one I'm looking for.
Alright, so you're gonna go fight a dragon and rescue a princess just so Farquhar will give you your swamp back?
Well, there's a lot more to me than people think. Ogres are like onions. Onions have layers. Ogres have layers. Are you Princess Fiona?
I am! Awaiting a knight so bold as to rescue me.
Ah, that's nice.
Galing na gumagawa.
And that's the way it happens. The end.
Thank you all for coming. And be sure to pick up some waffles on your way out.
For only 100 pesos. Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang.
Saturn.
Just dito guys. Ano pa guys? Jojo kung sasakay siya. Jo, ano, napag-isipan mo na ba? Sasakay ka ba? Ano?
Kaya?
Hindi mo kaya?
Dito pa
Kaya
lang
mo
eh.
yan.
Dito pa lang nahihilo na ako eh. Hindi ako makakit ng mangga.
Kaya mo yan, Pilip.
Kaya ko yan kasi magtataog. Ano tumataog?
Ha?
That's what you need to try. Sorry. That's what you do. What you do.
Ayan na nga. Oh! Come on. Paano naman kuya yung aso nakaharap-harap galit? Ayan, ay, teka lang.
Entertainment po, amazing.
Amazing.
Sir, did you even one of the restaurants? Okay. How about the facilities for the cleanliness?
Amazing.
Amazing. Overall impression of our park, sir?
Amazing.
Thank you. What do you like most about our park? Is it the rides?
The right.
The rides.
Okay.
Okay.
Ayan guys, sumakay sila dito. So, ang gagawin ko, ibibideo ko lang sila kasi hindi ako sumama. At masama yung pakaramdam ko. So, abangan natin sila at ibibideo natin. Na, Jojo!
Hi guys, tapos na kami. Uwi na kami, punta na kami hotel. Sobrang sulit yung ano namin. Mga masyal dito. The best. Medyo nalobat ng ibang pool namin kaya ito. Yung ibang rides din namin masyadong nakuhaan. The best dito. Ay mga packs, highly recommended to. Pwede nyo puntahan kung may bakante kayo. Para malilak sa mga kayo. Pwede.
Hi guys, so ayun, after ng Motion Gate dinner, nag-dinner kami, then dito na kami sa room. Mga fresh after ligo time. Mga nakapag-wash na sila, wash. Ayan, magwa-wine muna kami.
Wine na.
Jo, anong wine ba yan?
Long gates.
Layong. Ano nga? Jo, asan ka ngayon, Jo?
Robinson.
Robinson.
Uy, sarap. Shit, gusto ng chocolate.
Sarap buhay.
Prison break. Ano yung sa Ferris wheel? Sa Ferris wheel. Nasaan yung isang...
Hi guys, good morning. So, ito last day namin sa hotel. Ayan, nagsiswimming si Jojo. Mamaya mag-check out na kami. Nag-aantay kami ng breakfast namin. Kaya swimming muna daw ang isang bata. Hindi masyadong busy dito sa hotel. Dumating na yung breakfast namin.
Hi, finished the holiday, so we're gonna check out now. Back to work tomorrow, back to normal life. Back to 4 days.
Thank you, Madam Isa.
Thank you,
Salamat,
Dr. Rasin,
salamat.
for the treat of the moon. And
See, where is the next
Thank
plan?
you, Rose. Thank you, Nat.
Bye.
Bye. Naman ako dahil sa matakaw na to.
See you next hotel.
Sira dahil
Oh, the elevator is open. Okay, bye.
Saan pa tayo? Hi guys! Uwi na kami! Sulit! Next time ulit.
Thank you, Rome.